Yeah, I think it's getting recorded. And share my screen. I think you guys able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So this is the Binance Exchange. The reason why I'm talking about Binance Exchange, it's one of the world's biggest exchange that process almost 1 billion transactions every day. So 1 billion is a big number, and there's a huge list of altcoins on Binance. The problem many people are going to face is that Binance cannot be used in US. So US has its own Binance, which is called as Binance US. But the platform is almost the same. I will only go ahead on Binance so that anybody anywhere in the world can use it. This is the platform. As soon as you log in, you just go on register now, and you'll be able to put your email address, password, create an account. So it will ask you some verifications like your passport or your NIC if you're in Pakistan, national ID card. So you can upload that, and that is called as KYC, know your customers. So once you are verified, you'll be able to open an account. That is something easy. That's something that should not be taking much time. So let me just jump right into Binance. So I have logged into my Binance right now. Let me take it here. Yeah. So this is how the platform looks like. As soon as you log in, you have to make sure that you're checking this first platform here. They're giving you a lot of new offers. So they are launching the launch pool. You can read more about it by clicking on it. Never ignore this first window. Uh, and most of the time I get the questions from people from Pakistan, people from India. Cryptocurrency is not allowed in our country. How do we buy it? So people have found out ways, and there's an easy way to buy crypto from Pakistan or anywhere in the world. So here on the top, you see the option where it says buy crypto. And if you are paying euro, so you just select euro here. But let's say you are selecting PKR, Pakistani rupees. You just have cash in the bank. So you select PKR here on the top, just type in PKR. And when you select that, it's only giving you one option. There are not many options. So this is P2p trading. You can use this P2p trading, and there will be a lot of P2p means person to person. If anybody is on this P2p trading selling Bitcoin or USDT, you'll be able to buy it from there. I will just use one more example. Let's say you have euros, you are from Europe, and you select euro. Then you have many other options to buy euros from Binance. You have option of bank deposit, credit card, P2P trading. But in countries like Pakistan or India, let's select India now, because I have many followers from India, Pakistan, Europe, and US. So when you select INR, it gives you two options, P2P trading and third-party payment. WazirX is one of the cryptocurrency exchange from India. You can use this to buy it. Let me just select one last option, which is USD, because most of the people are from US as well. In US, you'll be able to buy it from bank, credit, all these options. So let me just select the option for PKR, which is Pakistani rupee. So once you select this option PKR, P2P trading, you click on this, and here it's going to show you every other person who is trying to sell you crypto, or if you want to buy it. So let's say you want to buy it, it will show you this is the person. They have completed 96% this completion rate, which means they can be trusted. They have made like 950 orders. They are offering you to buy 160, like minimum limit they are asking you is 1 lakh rupees, which is 100,000 rupees. So if you have 100,000 rupees and you want to buy USDT, we have selected USDT here. You can simply select this option, buy USDT, and then another new window will open. I will not be able to open this window because for me, I am living in US. It will show me an option that I cannot, because it's asking me to complete my verification and all that things. But you will be able to open it up, and you'll be in directly contact with this person. You can send them a message. They will have their bank details mentioned over there, and your Binance account, once you're verified, your bank details are also connected to your Binance account. So you'll be able to buy the option. Let's say you want to buy 100 USDT in PKR, you'll be able to buy it. your bank will initiate the transfer, and the other person will receive it, and then he will release the USDT, and you will be able to get USDT. This is the best way for anybody to buy crypto anywhere from Pakistan or India or any parts of the world where they do not have a debit card or credit card. So this is how you do it. Let's say you don't want to buy USDT, you want to buy Bitcoin. So you select Bitcoin here, and you'll be able to see the options for the people who are selling Bitcoin. Like this person is just joined new. He hasn't made any orders in the past. Completion rate is 0. So I would not trust this person because, they just joined it. I would only go with somebody who already has completed many orders, like 523 orders, 98%. They are asking minimum 25,000 rupees and maximum 790,000. So let's say you want to buy for 25,000, you select this person. He's giving you the rate PKR, and you can simply select Bitcoin and buy it from there. This is the easiest way to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies if you do not have a debit or credit card. But let's just take it off. Now let me see euro. So once you have euro, you can buy crypto using credit or debit card. So I'll select credit or debit here. I think my internet speed is a little bit slow today. It's Sunday, everybody is using the internet. So um, look, I cannot be doing that because it is recognizing me that we are unable to service US person since I live in US. So they said you should open an account with Binance US. So I will have to open a Binance US account, and from Binance US account, I have to verify my identity by posting my driver's license. And once I'm verified, I will be able to use the same service in US. So this is how you come here. They will give you the options to buy it. So this is the simplest way of buying using credit card, debit card, or cash account. There is another option called as P2p trading. So it's same as what I showed you earlier. P2p is like when you select the currency and you buy it, it's the same option of buying using P2p, but this is fairly simple. You come here and select what do you have in cash. They have many options. Like, let's say you have, if you are from to avoid becoming a victim of scammer, never transfer cryptocurrency before actually receiving the payment. So I understand that. Just read that disclaimer. Let's say you are in Dubai and you have dirhams. So you select dirhams here that you want to buy crypto using dirhams. So no more ads. Nobody's selling any P2P. There's no P2P person selling crypto using dirhams. I will select again PKR, and it's the same thing what I showed you earlier. So this is a simplest way of buying your crypto, and many people in Pakistan are using this way to buy crypto. So let's say once you have bought it, then you have to come here in your wallets here. If you bought it using P2P, your crypto will be inside this wallet, which is P2P wallet. You'll come, wallet means your account. So wallet is your account where you're going to have your crypto once you bought it. So right now I do not have any balance because I don't use Binance since it's blocked for the US residents. Once you have it, you'll be able to see your USDT balance here, that this is how much you bought, like 100 USDT you bought. So what you can do is you can either sell that USDT or transfer it to any other wallet or any other exchange. This is how you do it here. So it's going to show you under P2P. And now another option is, this is how you buy it. Now I'm going to show you option of overview. This is your wallet, this is your account, and in your account, this is overview of your complete account. So I will show you my balance because I do not have much in Binance anyway. It shows me that I have almost $437 of it's showing in the Bitcoin, and in dollars it's showing me the amount, but I need to know the individual details of what this is. I will go to wallet and select fiat and spot, fiat or fiat, whatever it is. Um, okay, so here it is showing me the details of my $438 on Binance. It's showing me that I have $136 on VeChain. I was not able to transfer this out of my Binance because there is a fee involved when you transfer it. There's a fee involved. The fee was more than what I hold. So I'm like, okay, let it be there. I don't mind losing it. So it's VeChain here. I have new and cash. I showed it on my Instagram story as well yesterday. So it shows me whatever I have got. This is how you know what you hold. And if you just click on hide small balances, it just hides everything and gives you a clean look of what you currently have. The biggest number of holdings it's just going to show you. Like I have bet 1,000, um, and this is the amount in Bitcoin. This is the amount in cash. And Nucleus, I have this amount in Bitcoin. This is the amount in cash. Now, this is very important here. If you want to check if any coin is available on any of the exchange, you always come to coinmarketcap.com. This is the question I get most of the time. My followers, they ask me questions like, how can I buy any specific coin, or from which exchange can I buy it? So you simply come on CoinMarketCap, type in the ticker symbol. I typed in Ethereum, so this window will open for the Ethereum. And then I will go to market, and in market, you see Binance is always on the top because this is one of the biggest exchange in the world, which has the highest trading volume. So this data is sorted by the volume. So Binance, you'll find all the altcoins, majority of the altcoins will be on Binance, which is why my workshop is on Binance. It shows me that this is the highest volume in the last 24 hours for Ethereum. People were using USDT to buy Binance, and the price was 2,152. So this is the place where you can get an idea if any coin is listed on Binance or not. Let's say I want to buy RUNE. This is one of my favorite projects. So I type in RUNE. I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's like Rune or Rune. So you go to market again, and again, Binance is on the top, and people are buying by Rune using USDT. So let's say I want to buy this Rune now, since I have created my account on Binance and I want to go to Binance to buy it. I will not be able to buy it because I'm not allowed since I'm in US, but anybody else who is not in US will be able to buy it. And this coin is not even available on Binance US. See that it's on Binance, but I don't see Binance US anywhere. So what I did was, in order to buy Rune, I went to BitThumb Global, created an account, and bought Rune from there. Uh, it's almost all the exchanges works in the similar manner as I'm showing you. So I'm just going to show you on Binance how to buy Rune. Um, so here I come, and here I want to go to the trade and classic trade. I select the classic because the platform will be simple to use here. So uh, yeah, here option for the search, I'll type in RUNE. Now it's giving me all the option to buy RUNE. If you have Bitcoin, you can buy it using Bitcoin RUNE, or if you have USDT, you can buy it using USDT. Let's say I want to buy it using USDT, since that's the easiest to use. So I will select RUNE. Now it's showing me the price of the RUNE is $11.81. Remember on my Patreon, when I posted about it on 20th of March, it was $5.76. And I'm very much bullish on this project. And that's the reason why I'm showing you this. So when you come down, it has option of spot. Spot means on the spot you can buy it. I will use the market because market means the trade is going to be executed right at that time. You use limit order when you are looking at the price. Let's say when you think that the price is going to go from $11 to $10, and you're expecting price is going to drop, and then you're going to use limit order. Then you put the amount, put how many you want to buy. I'm not a guy who waits. I know my analysis, I do it. So I always select the market order. And in the market order, let's say you have 100 USDT, okay? So you type in the amount that you're going to spend. I'll say I buy 100 USDT. I do not have any USDT, but I'm showing you how you're going to buy. Simply select market, USDT, and hit buy Rune. That's it. It's so simple. And if you want to sell the Rune, once you have it in your account, you come here, right, and type in the amount of Rune that you have. For example, I have 5 Rune. I want to sell it. You select 5 and hit sell. You'll be able to sell it right away. The liquidity is so much on Binance. By liquidity means Binance has a lot of available cash that it can pay you. So this is how you can buy Rune or sell Rune. An easy way is this. Now let's say I have a coin. Let's say I have more than 10 Ethereum, or not Ethereum. Let me just show you the wallet, the one I showed you before. I'm going to show you how to convert from one currency to another. Let's say I have VeChain, I have 1000 VeChain. I want to see if I can trade this VeChain and convert all this VeChain to Ethereum. Maybe it's possible, maybe it's not, but I want to convert it all to Ethereum. So there's an option to convert here. You can select it here, but I would prefer going to trade and then selecting convert on the top. It's an easy way to convert it. Let's say I have VeChain, so VeChain I select, and I have 1000, so I selected 1000. Now it's asking me how do you want to change it, to which crypto you want to change it. So it's giving me the pairs that I can change it to. I can convert 1000 WED to Ethereum, USDT, or Chainlink. These are the only option available. So when I select Ethereum, uh, I think it's not gonna show. You will receive 0.063 Ethereum. It's giving me a time because the rates keep on changing. So it gives me 3 seconds. Then I refresh again. Then it gave me another new rate because crypto markets is so much volatile. The rates keep on changing. At least they're giving you 3 seconds. I don't even think that the rates will remain the same after 1 second because it's very much volatile. So that's how you convert from one crypto to another. So in this video tutorial so far, 20 minutes have passed. So I've shown you how to connect your cash or bank account to buy crypto. If the crypto is not available in your country, but just have the bank account. If you have the credit or debit account, how you buy it. I've shown you how to do P2p trading. Like all these things, you can find it yourself. But the problem is that on YouTube, in order to find the right information, you have to spend a lot of time to dig into it. Um, and then I showed you how to use convert function. I showed you the classic or advanced. I showed you how to use the fiat and spot wallets. Something that most of the people would want to know is margin. So margin means that you have one Ethereum, but I wish I had 3 Ethereum so that I could have bought one of my favorite projects. So you were asking Binance to give you a loan of more money than you currently have. I do not recommend that because it goes against my principles. You only invest the amount you're willing to lose. You only invest the amount that you have in your bank. You do not want to take any loan from anybody because the moment you apply for margin, you take the loan from Binance and Binance is going to charge you interest. And this is the interest rates that I can show you. If you borrow any, okay, so let's say you have 1 Ethereum and you go to margin, they're going to give you 2 more Ethereum. So up from 1 Ethereum, you can get 3 Ethereum, but the time limit is going to be there. You have to pay interest on daily basis. So if you borrowed Ethereum, look at the interest rate yearly, 9.12%. That is a lot. And I checked BNB, look at the interest rate, 109%, because everybody's buying Binance and everybody's making money out of Binance. So they have put the interest rate to be higher. So I do not recommend using margin because it's very much difficult. There is a risk involved. The moment the price keeps on changing, Binance is going to sell the amount that you have borrowed because they don't want to have a loss themselves. So it's very risky play. Make sure you understand it properly in order to enter it. I think we have got 20 more minutes and I will take down any question that you guys have so that I can show you the answers right away. If you guys can go one by one, I will be able to answer it. If so, please raise your hand on the right and I'll take the question. Okay, I think raising option is not being shown. So guys, you can let me see the chat. RD comma, so it will always be USDT or some other coin type instead of fiat currency like USD. So it's always it's better to get USDT because USDT is the pair that you can use to buy any other altcoins. USDT is very much common, which is why I recommend using USDT. In Coinbase in US, you do not buy USDT. They offer you USDC. So USDT is highly recommended because it can be used on Binance, it can be used on Qcoin, it can be used on any other crypto exchange. Mushtaq, how do we get money back to our bank account from these platform, Binance, Qcoin, Coinbase? That's a great question. So I'll show it to you how you do it. So that let's say that you have fiat. I'll show you fiat here. So there's an option, okay? Buy, deposit, withdraw, trade, earn, and convert. So what you do is you convert it into a USD. So once you convert it to a USD, or you convert it into your local bank currency, which is PKR, that PKR is connected, and once it is there in your wallet as PKR, you can transfer it directly to your bank account. Mostly transfer is limited on Binance right now because there is so much of scam going on. So Binance has to make sure that um, you guys are verified. This is why for some people the process is going to take maybe a day or two. For some people it's going to take 1 week or 2 weeks. Why is it called project? Does it have a timeline to complete? Okay, the project, I mean to say crypto project. So all these companies that are working in crypto space, whenever they launch a coin, we always say that, you know, Ethereum project is good because they're going to solve this problem. Many blockchains projects are built on it. So that's why we call it a project, because they are considered as project and not companies, because they're trying to solve business problems and they're considered as a project. Rizwan, USDT is stable coin and it's always equal to USD. So if you are trading crypto, it's better to buy in USDT and then buy from it. USDT value never changes as pegged to the dollar. Exactly. Thank you for mentioning that. For reverse leg withdrawal in front of your coin and then input your account details. Exactly. Please show us on Blockfolio how to add manually. Okay, great. So I can show you on the camera, Blockfolio. Or what I'm going to do is, since many people have asked me that question, since I'm going to keep this workshop for Binance, I'm going to be making a video after this. Once I'm done, I'll be making a video on Blockfolio on my TikTok, and I'll be sharing that video on my Instagram. So you'll be able to see how the Blockfolio manual addition works. USDT versus BUSD, which is better? USDT is better because you get more trading pairs using USDT. How to check the trading graphs to find the right time to buy or sell? Temur, that's a great question. I already covered that in one of my first workshop. I'll just make a quick review. So let me share the screen. Share the screen. Okay, so you go to tradingview.com. I hope my screen is visible. You're sharing screen. Yes, it is. So you go to the charts here on the top. And let's say that you wanted to get in RUNE or Thorn Chain, which is my project. So you select it and type in RUNE. It's going to show you Binance because this is one of the biggest exchange having the maximum volume. So you select RUNE versus Tether. Now this is RSI. So RSI is between 80 to 20. When RSI is close to 80, which means the project is already over. Wait a minute, let me, what is this? So this means at 80, it's already overbought, and at 20, it's already oversold. Overbought means many people have bought it. Now they'll be offloading it, and the price is about to come down. And when it's close to 20, it means it's oversold. People have sold it so much. Now everybody's buying it. The price is going to go on the top. So I will select here as 1 day because that will give me a good idea to analyze this project. And when I zoom in and zoom out, it gives me an option of, you know, how the price is working. So whenever this blue line and red line crosses together, and the blue line is on the downward trend and the red line is the downward trend, this shows a clear pattern that, you know, price movement will be on the lower side. So that's why you see the price coming down. As long as these two lines are against each other, the trend is going to follow. But the moment you see that they are coinciding with each other and the blue line is on the top of the red line, likewise here, you see that blue line is on the top of the red line, the trend is reversing, so it's going on the top again unless they coincide again. After they coincide, then there is a clear chance that, you know, it's going on the downward side. So this is how day trader work. This is not the only indicator that they use many other indicators. But for me to be long-term investor, I just make sure when is the best time to enter any crypto positions. That's how I analyze it. Let me take other questions. Uzma Ghami asked me, can you please show us the withdrawal process on screen? I will not be able to show that withdrawal process on the screen since I do not have my bank account connected to my Binance. But what I can do is I can definitely connect my Binance US account. I haven't connected my bank account to my US account. I will connect it, and then I'll be able to record a video and I show it to you, Uzma, and you'll be able to see it. Or even I can make a video on YouTube or Instagram and I can post it there. But I'll take down this question. Thank you for asking. There's one for Binance. It is advisable to use BUSD since it will have less transaction fee. BUSD is same as USD by Binance coin. As long as you are using USDT on Binance itself, then BUSDT is definitely a recommended choice because Binance coin, you pay less in trading fee. But if you are going to use that USDT on any other exchange, for example, you want to buy Binance, you have $100 and you want to buy $50 for Binance, you want to transfer that $50 to another exchange, then I advise you to keep it in USDT. Why I cannot withdraw amount in UAE? Because it totally depends on the banks and the partnership that they have with Binance. In UAE, it's a problem. You cannot even buy crypto using AED or UAE dirhams, and you cannot withdraw it in UAE dirhams. I think Middle East wants to control the money flowing out of the bank and flowing into the bank. So there is a place called rain.bh. It is one of the registered platform. I think it belongs to Bahrain. So you can be able to use that platform. And if you have anything in Binance, you can transfer that amount to your crypto wallet. I can just show it to you quickly how to transfer it from one wallet to another. I think I was supposed to cover that. So let's say I wanted to withdraw it from my Binance to rain.bh or any other cryptocurrency exchange like Qcoin. So you go and click on withdraw.
We can't see the screen.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you for mentioning that. Okay, I will share it again. So in Fiat Binance, you go here on the Fiat. It takes some time to populate, and then you withdraw whatever currency you have. You can withdraw it. Click on withdraw. So it's showing me VeChain. Now you just have to get your public address of your VeChain from a wallet that you have on any other exchange. You get that address, post it here, and then you simply select the amount. Let's say I want to withdraw 1,000. So the receiver will get 900. This will be the transaction fee. It's going to show you right away. You hit submit. It's going to take 10 or 15 minutes, and you will be able to send it. So if you want to see what your recipient VET address is, I can show you the way you are going to receive it yourself. Instead of transferring it, now I'm going to show you how you receive it. So you select deposit here. Let's say you want to transfer a VET or VeChain from a different wallet to your wallet. This service notice, apologies, but we are unable to provide service to you as per our terms of use because I'm from US. It's not showing me my public address for VeChain. I'll be able to see my address, public address here. I simply copy the public address, go to the other exchange and type in as a public address, and you'll be able to make a transfer. So that's how easy it is. Let me see any other questions. Is it safe to keep money in Binance wallet? Because I heard it in the past got hacked and the money can be lost. That true? Yes. In 2019, there was a hack of at least 5% or 10% on Binance. People have lost their Bitcoin. So Binance accommodated them. Binance gave them the money. But the problem with any of these cryptocurrency exchanges, you will not be able to get any good customer service right now. So many people are getting into it. There's humanly not possible to answer to each and every call or answer to each and every email. So your response will be delayed, which is why I have conducted a workshop 2 weeks ago on how to transfer your crypto from any exchange to a wallet, which is called as Ledger NanoX. It's a cold storage wallet. Ledger NanoX doesn't pay me to promote them, but I like the fact that, it's a cold storage, it's off the exchange, and you are the owner of your crypto wallet. So if you have amounts, let's say $500 to $1,000 and above, you definitely need to invest into the crypto security because you're going to keep it safe. But if you cannot afford Ledger Nano X, which is around $120 or $130, you can download one particular wallet which is owned by Binance itself, and there's an app on your phone for that. It's called as Trust Wallet. So once you use Trust Wallet, 2 days ago I started using Trust Wallet, and I was able to get 24% on staking just by putting Binance in it. In the old time, I bought like 2 Binance coin, which were like, I bought it for $20. I never knew that Binance going to go so much higher in price, but I was able to put that in staking, and Binance is giving me 24% return on investment for that. So if you guys want to use that Trust Wallet, use it. Keep your coins over there, keep your crypto over there. It's one of the secure ways of keeping it secure, but I would not recommend Trust Wallet if you can afford Ledger Nano X. What about tax on crypto? So in US itself, you pay taxes on crypto based on, uh, as long as you're not selling it or you're not converting from one crypto to another, and you're not sending your coin from Coinbase to any other exchange, you do not pay any taxes. You only pay taxes when you sell a crypto, or when you try to exchange it from one crypto to another, and when you transfer your crypto from Coinbase or any other exchange to other exchange. Because if you send it, there is no way that they are going to keep an eye on you. So that's why you have to be very vigilant about your taxes. I'm not a registered tax person. You can check with a CPA, but this is the information that I got from my CPA. Narendra asking, if you're buying crypto from GBP other than USD, so do I need to worry about GP versus USD price? You don't have to worry about it, because all the exchange rates will be shown to you on the screen itself. You can Google it if you're getting a good rate. If not, you can make a decision based on your analysis. For Canadians in Bitcoin good, and can you please talk a bit about how Canadians can use this platform? Uh, Binance can be used by anybody in the world, whether you are in Canada or whether you are in Europe or Asia. Only problem is most of the countries like Cuba or USA, we people cannot use it. So Canadians can definitely buy Bitcoin. It's good enough. Like, you have to do your analysis to find out if it is good investment. Repeating my question, is there any fee deducted when we transfer cryptocurrencies to our different wallets? And is the income taxable if it is in our digital wallets? I already answered that question, but I did not answer this question. Is there a fee deducted when we transfer cryptocurrency to different wallets? Yes. When you transfer even Ethereum from Binance to Ethereum on Coinbase, there is a higher gas fee, because Ethereum, there are so many projects being built up on Ethereum, but the problem is the gas fee. You pay a lot of gas fee. I remember that I was transferring $500 from Ethereum Binance to Ethereum Coinbase, and I paid like $40 in transfer fee. So there are definitely fees involved. Is staking halal because it gives interest? So great question. Staking is halal as long as you are keeping your crypto to strengthen the network, and that network, for example, Binance is not using your crypto to pay you interest. They are not lending your crypto to anybody else. Then it's haram. But when you are putting that crypto for staking, so that you can be part of a mining pool, and that mining pool does the transactions for you, they does the transfer of that particular crypto, they earn some money, and they share that money with you. So that is not haram. And I have a detailed video on my Instagram, IGTV with Halal Guy. You can watch that video as well. Can you please repeat the name of the indicator which we observe to see if a crypto is overbought or oversold? It's called as RSI. Even if we offload it to a Ledger Nano X, we need to pay taxes, right? Yes, you definitely need to pay taxes, and that's why you need to keep an eye on your crypto, because at the end of the day, there's US cannot keep an eye on where you're sending your crypto, what you're doing with that crypto. So at the time you are transferring it, it's same as selling for them. So let's say you bought it for $100, and then you transfer it when it was $150, then you are liable to pay taxes on that $50 gain. So that's called as capital gain tax that you'll be paying. Can you be able to show us a bit staking on Binance? I'm happy that I was able to answer all the questions. So yes, this is the last question I'm going to take. Then if you have any more questions, I can answer you on my Instagram. So you come to finance here, and there's ways you can earn on staking. Like there's an option called Binance Earn, Binance Pool, Binance Visa Card. This is something new. I haven't looked into these two, Liquid Swap. So let's go to Binance Earn. So There's flexible savings account there. You have to make sure it's halal or not. I'm not responsible for this because you have to do your own research.
Excuse me to interrupt you. Can you please share
Yeah,
your screen?
share your screen, please.
I'm
Thank you.
so sorry, I always forget.
That's fine. Thank you.
I don't know why I forget. I'm so sorry. So I'll go back again.
Can you repeat the question? I just missed it. Like you were saying something about halal.
Yes, the question was, is staking halal or not? So I was explaining that staking is halal as long as that staking that you're putting it for a pool is not being used to give loans, or Binance is not using your crypto that you're putting it in staking and they're not using it to lend it to another user earning interest and sharing that interest with you, then it's haram. But as long as you're using that crypto for staking, and that staking is used to strengthen the network, to establish the network, to make the network strong, then it's halal. And the detailed video is on my Instagram live TV as well. So somebody asked me about how to stake coins. So you go to finance and you select Binance Earn. So again, you have to make sure that you do your research if it's halal or not. I'm only showing you how it's done. So they're giving you 7-day APY. For Bitcoin, you're getting 1.2% only. It's even better than what bank is offering you. Bank offers you less than 1%. So if you have Binance coin BUSD, you get 5%. If you just hold USDT, you get 6%. And this is the rates that you can find it right for every other cryptocurrency exchanges. This is one way of having passive income using your crypto on Binance. And let me see this Binance pool. This is another good option. I have 2 more minutes, so if the call get disconnected, know that I have a time limit for my call for Zoom. I'm getting even this error, so it's showing me that the call will be disconnected in 2 minutes. So I'll just wrap up this using this last option. So proof of work is showing me that you can even invest your crypto using Binance Pool. Uh, they're active worker. There are a lot of people who are investing for pool. There's a hash rate. This little bit technical, so you can go and click on the tutorial and learn more about it. There's some Binance Pool as well. There's some questions that is mentioned over there, so you can read all that. And if you want to see what earning will be there, you'll be able to put the mining account, whatever account you have, and create it, and then it's going to show you how much you're going to earn. So this is how you do it on Binance. But I would prefer you to use Trust Wallet on your iPhone. It's easy. It's very much simple. With one click of a button, you can stake. With one click of a button, you can unstake. And I can even show you